Alright, hello students. First of all, I apologize for all of the confusion about accessing this course through Cengage. This is my first time teaching a course like this at NKU, so bear with me. I do think we figured out what the glitch was. So prior to today, this tab modules was hidden from you guys. That is where you can access the course. It's really simple. So you're going to click on modules, as you see here, and then you're going to click on Social Work 610 2020, and if you scroll down, you'll also see all of the assignments moving through. See them all right there? So you're going to click on the course, load Social Work 610 2020 in a new window. It's going to ask you to sign in. If you have already created an account, obviously go ahead and sign in with that. If not, new student, create an account. So I'm in here, but not as a student, so I don't know how this will be different. But I just wanted to move through the process here. Maybe that would make it a little easier. So once you click in, you'll see the course. You'll see the activities. So part 1, chapters 1 through 4, these are all going to be due June the 7th, okay? Chapters 1 through 4. You'll see the due date, June the 7th. And if you carry on into part 2, chapters 5, you can see June 14th is when that is due, and it won't be available till June 8th, which is a Monday. So as you click through, you can see what's what, when everything is due. You shouldn't have any issues once you get through to this, okay? Now I talked to my Cengage person. His name is Josh. I was in a meeting with him this morning. If you continue to experience issues, he has recommended that I have you guys email him. So if for some reason, once you go through the steps that we just went through, and you're still having issues, I'll send you an email with his contact information so that you can reach out to him. Now, if there is mention of an access code, that's not going to be the code that I shared with you guys. I was wrong about that. It's a code that's specific to your purchase. So it could be on a receipt from where you purchased your book. If you do not know what I'm talking about, shoot me an email. Should have like dashes in it. And anyway, so again, let me leave student view. Hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully that clears everything up. Just like I said before, the modules link was hidden from you guys. As you can see, when I'm not in student view, there are tabs that I've hidden just to clear away some clutter, and I had accidentally hidden the most important tab, modules. So hopefully that clears everything up. Please, again, reach out to Josh if you're still experiencing issues after following these steps, and keep me in the loop on how you're doing. I'll check back in with you guys later today or tomorrow just to make sure we're all on the same page, all right? Hope you guys are enjoying your Tuesday.